Hello everyone, my name is Zoe and I welcome you to my channel. This is round 64 of star hearts and pineapples tablecloth. So to begin the round, slip a stitch on the next stitch and into the space, and we are making double crochet stitches in place of triple crochet on this round. So chain 2, double crochet on the same space, chain 3, 2 double crochet on the same space to finish the shell, and shell is done. So chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, twice, that's 1, 2, then chain 3, double crochet on the next triple crochet, chain 1, double crochet on the same triple crochet to make a V. So a V stitch is made. Then chain 1, double crochet on the next triple crochet, do it 4 times. So chain 1, double crochet on the next triple crochet, this is the second, chain 1, double crochet on the next triple crochet, that's 3, chain 1, double crochet on the next triple crochet, and this is the fourth. Then chain 1, V on the next triple crochet, then chain 1, double crochet on the next triple crochet twice. So that was 1, chain 1, triple crochet on the next, did I say triple crochet? Should be chain 1, double crochet on the next triple crochet, that's the second. Then chain 1, V on the next triple crochet, so there's 2 more V's are done, and we have a total of 3 V's on this fan already. So chain 1, double crochet on the next triple crochet 4 times, that's 1, chain 1, double crochet on the next triple crochet 2, chain 1, double crochet on the next triple crochet, that's 3, chain 1, double crochet on the next triple crochet, that's 4, then chain 1, V on the next triple crochet, then a fan is made that's made up of 18 double crochets. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Then chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and double crochet on the next triple crochet twice. That's 1, 2. Then chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and shell on next shell. Then chain 4 and single crochet on the next pineapple loop, chain 5, single crochet on the next pineapple loop, So that's one, chain 5 again, and single crochet on the next pineapple loop. So 2 pineapple loops are made, then chain 4 and shell on next shell. We will mark this as the beginning of the repeating stitches, and then we will repeat what we did here, making the fan. So double crochet on the next triple crochet, do it twice, then chain 3 and V on the next triple crochet, so we are repeating the fan. We're repeating the fan stitch, what we did here. We're repeating this on this. So chain 1, double crochet on the next triple crochet 4 times. So that's 1, chain 1, double crochet on the next triple crochet. This is the second, chain 1, double crochet on the next triple crochet. This is the third, chain 1, double crochet on the next triple crochet. This is the fourth, then chain 1 V on the next triple crochet. After the second V, we chain 1, double crochet on the next triple crochet twice. So that's 1, chain 1, double crochet on the next triple crochet, the second, then chain 1 V again on the next triple crochet. Then we made a 3 set of V stitches, 1, 2, 3. Then on this one we repeat from this to the V. So chain 1, double crochet on the next triple crochet, doing it 4 times. That's 1. Then chain 1, double crochet on the next triple crochet, 2, chain 1, double crochet on the next triple crochet. This is the third, chain 1, double crochet on the next triple crochet, and this is the fourth. So chain 1 V on the next triple crochet to finish the fan. So another 18 double crochets fan made. So let's count: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Then chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and double crochet on the next triple crochet, doing it twice. That's 1, double crochet on the next triple crochet, that's twice. Then chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and shell on next shell. then chain 4 again, and then single crochet on the next loop of the pineapple, then chain 5 and single crochet on the next loop of the pineapple. We will repeat this 2 times. So that was 1. This is the second. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 single crochet on the next pineapple loop. So there's 2 loops of the pineapple are done. Then chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is the ending of the repeating stitches, and we will mark this as the ending of the repeating stitches. So we will repeat from the shell, from the first double crochet of the shell right there onto the chain 4 after the pineapple loop. Repeat them all around. So after the last chain 4 of the round, then slip stitch on the second chain of the beginning chain 2. 1, 2, and that's the end of round 64. So I'll see you on the next round 65. I thank you very much for watching, and we have another pineapple motif to finish, and then this tablecloth should be completed. So we are starting this pineapple here, so this has to be formed into the pineapple design, and then after that we have a tablecloth to be enjoyed for years to come. So it's worth every effort making this tablecloth. I have a lot of nieces, and I'm going to make as many as I could to give to them. Thank you very much, and please subscribe.